Good morning, Glitterettes. Thank you guys for waiting. I had a little bit of an issue yesterday with my delivery. You know how UPS sometimes says deliver by 8 p.m.? Yeah, well, that was this package. So I know I was supposed to do the unboxing yesterday, so we're gonna do it today, and I'm actually really excited. So I've known that this has been coming for a little while now, and I was really excited about it, but I didn't want to open it by myself because I know that I'm gonna get super emotional about it. So I wanted to do it with you guys. So I really hope you guys are as excited as I am. So, of course, it is a Jeffree Star package. Got my Jeffree Star tape. So we're gonna open it, and I'm super excited. As far as I know, only one thing is in here. This was ordered a little while ago. I could be wrong. It definitely feels like there's only one thing in here. So we'll see what happens. All right, let's see. Ooh, look. Okay, let's see. Yes. Yes. I cannot wait to frame this. So for anybody who doesn't know, I am a huge Shane Dawson fan and an even bigger Jeffree Star fan. So the fact that just I have this in my hands means so much to me. This is the Conspiracy palette. I want this one so bad. This one actually is not the one that's in here. I actually have the mini Controversy. So the big one, when they relaunch it in March, is going to be my goal to get. They're also relaunching the mini with a new color on the inside, and I'm actually really excited about that. So I'm actually super excited because I want to save the paper. Look at that. I'm so stoked right now. So I have to gently, okay. All right, let me see. Oh my God, guys. They updated it, guys. Do you guys remember when they first launched it? I don't think this is what the cardboard looked like. I could be wrong, but I'm so excited. Oh. It's perfect! Oh my God, guys. Look how perfect that is. I'm shaking. Like, that's how excited I am. All right, here we go. We're going to open it. Ooh, honey slay. I don't even want to touch these because I don't want to ruin them, but like, look. Look at those colors, guys. Oh my God. So we have Flat Earth, Cry on My Couch, My Boyfriend's Purse, Controversy, Diet Root Beer, My Apology, Exposed, Canceled, and The Simulation. And they all have like Jeffree's stamp and Shane Dawson's stamp. So like they have the SD for Shane. I don't know if you guys can see that. And they have Jeffree Star, but then they have like his root beer, the Controversy, some tea, the eye for the Illuminati, I would assume. And this mirror quality, guys, when Jeffree Star does, he does the most. Like his palettes, this is like, I could hurt somebody with this. This is like a brick. I'm like afraid to swat. I'm like shaking so bad I just dropped it. Definitely thought I was gonna cry. I want to swatch a color, but I don't want to ruin it. Like, all right, I guess I'll do Cry on My Couch. Like, look at that pigment. Like, that is so good. Like, I want to cry. That's how awesome that is. Oh, it's like butter. I want to try the blue one. So we're going to do the Simulation, I think. Because this one's just so beautiful. I can't not. Like, look at that. How adorable is that color? Like, that would make a fantastic, even just a little highlight in the corner. Like, that's beautiful. Guys, this palette is like my dream. I'm so excited. I really want to do a look with it, guys. If you guys really want me to do a look, drop a comment below or like the video, because that will let me know that you guys would want to see that. And I really hope that anybody out there that gets the chance to have this palette gets it, because it is absolutely beautiful and absolutely worth it. It is so well made. The casing alone costs as much as probably the palette does. And I know that anybody who's watched The Beautiful Life of Jeffree Star, the documentary that Shane Dawson did, you guys get to see that it doesn't cost that much to make a palette. But like, this is such good quality. If I went and got any other of my palettes and put it hand in hand next to it, it would be so cheap looking. This is such a good palette. The mirror down to the outline, down to the cardboard, everything is perfect. So if you guys have a chance, go on to jeffreestarcosmetics.com and order yours, and then let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to see a video of me doing a tutorial or a look or a demo, please just drop a like or a comment below, and I will do that. Thank you, guys.